we've been in Goodwill struggling to find things. It's been really hard in Virginia. Best things you see are things like that. Ding. But we're heading out. All right, everything's in the van.
Yep. So you tired of being here?
No, we can't find nothing here in Virginia. So we're going on a road trip.
Quincy, we are going on a road trip. Woo! Yeah!
So let's head south and see what North Carolina has in store. So nothing in Virginia?
Nope. We came to North Carolina. See what they got.
Huh? Clothing people. Baltic Santa. Yeah. Oh yeah? Where'd it go? Over here. You think they're over here? Where'd it go? 59, 29. Looks like a trumpet case or whatever. 70.
Gotcha. I didn't see this one.
Nah, me either. But yeah, and I started looking and I was like, oh, there's the shoes. All right. Okay, well maybe South Carolina. Yeah, Myrtle Beach will have some stuff. Again? Hi. Say hi. No, look. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I mean, it is around the sides. That's big. What's the outside? Oh,
Cocktail time.
Yeah, that's cool. They're super cool though.
Yeah, there's a different brand, the Sears and Roebuck brand is coming up, but I'm not seeing any sold.
Cool, but if you find the Sears and Roebuck ones,
For sure.
yeah, it'd be a good bolo. But we got a few things, one personal, one to sell, and yeah, that's about it. We came, we didn't really conquer, but we did it.
We did it.
Whales. Yeah, we're gonna get in this cart. Wake up. Addie, look, they got toys over here.
Addie, look at this. Didn't work though.
Cohen, look, a Halo helmet. It's all Thomas the Train. Honey, look at that. Oh, it's broken. The clip. Little clip on the back. Or you unlock it. Sorry about that, man. Watch out. She's trying to slide through. There you go. Now the lady's following. Addie, look, they can see you. You gotta say hi. Yeah, you gotta say hi. Yeah, you gotta say hi. Yeah, guys, shorts. They got a Snoopy shirt, dear. Oh, we just missed Easter. Look at that. That's another. Yeah. It's like, Julian better come pick this up. That's another one of those Sleep Number adjustable beds. For $50. $3.29. And then Vineyard Vines shorts.
Yeah, we definitely finished that.
I was like, eh. What do you have?
It's an Ella Bean. It's just a
sweater.
It's a vest, sweater vest. Again, I don't really know how sweater vests do.
Yeah.
And then these, they're not old. They're made in China. They're starter Chicago Bulls.
Oh, those are cool.
I didn't see any soles because, like I said, they're made in China.
And they're not
old.
as common.
Black label. I don't know what that means, but
But
probably
just,
a pass
it's
on
just
those.
pants just aren't as common as the jackets.
Okay.
So.
Pass on these. All right.
How's it going? Huh. Oakley shorts. That looks cool. Toss it in the cart. No? This one? This one? This one? This one?
Stay right there with the cart, please. Long enough for us to look through this, please.
Oh yeah, which one do you see?
Nike.
How much are they? Regular price? A single stitch too.
Is it?
Yeah. Hanes heavyweight.
In Mexico. I just don't know. I'll have to look up Google into it. Copyright 1993 DC Comics.
DC Comics? Oh. Here, let's see. DC.
I don't know who that is.
What is that?
Sandman.
Oh.
I like the prices I'm seeing listed. These are cool.
Yeah, they have
lines.
nice little Y2K look. And they're only $5.
Right. I was like, at our store,
At our store, that's $10.
it's like at least they're what, $7.25 at our store.
Well, if that shirt rings out to be true, I mean, Julian wasn't lying. I know, I'm kind of thinking no for space.
Yeah, I'm like, what are you gonna do with all this?
It'd be like Facebook Marketplace.
Yeah, I'm like, it's big.
Alright, it was next to this.
Sitting there.
Yeah. Oh, I didn't. That is cool. I mean, you can go ahead and say it though.
Oh. Well, to tell them that their local Goodwill is the best around this area for sure.
And it's no, it's better than North Carolina and Virginia.
Yeah.
It's doing really well.
We haven't had this much stuff.
No,
In a while.
in months.
And the prices are way better than up in Virginia.
My goodness. after a few days hanging out in Myrtle Beach, finding some good stuff, we said, let's head further south. But before getting out of South Carolina, one more Goodwill. These were some good other vintage Levi's jeans, but they were a little tattered on the bottom. So even though I'm picking them up right here, I ended up putting them back just because they were a little torn up. Were you secretly hoping I would need you? Probably. Lily Pulitzer, an old vintage sports jacket, old Woolrich, orange tab, Levi's. Yeah. Gosh. Yeah, look at that. Made you say 99 cents.
I mean, they're a bit dirty.
I know, but you just think of their age.
That's so cool.
Well, Mommy, somebody has said that's mine.
You found a big Hawaiian.
You like it?
Yeah. Can you let go, please? Thank you.
Oh. Is that newer?
Yeah, it's just Peanuts tag.
Oh, that's cool though.
I kind of don't want to watch it.
All right, it's the next morning. We have been on this thrift store trail, and we're going to show you everything we picked up because definitely South Carolina has been the winner. So we got a few good things and some big surprises. I was pretty happy with the prices in South Carolina and how this turned out. So yeah, just a few things. We're being selective. We are doing this fun little road trip, but our very first stop, we got this Dickies like coverall. It's a size large, navy blue. And here our kids are in the Airbnb playing back there. But yeah, pick this up for $5.99. That will go for about 30 bucks. And then where do I want to jump? This is our last stop. Look at these vintage Masters visors. They're pretty dirty, but I think even in this condition, for 99 cents a piece, we can get 10, 15 bucks on those. Saw this pair right there on the rack. Orange tab, black Levi's. Those will do really well. Gotta clean these Vapor Max up. I don't know. I'm thinking these shoes, comps are all over the place. At least 50 bucks, and we paid $6.99. Nice little Lily Pulitzer top. It's a size extra small, but my wife said if it's a lily top with a print in South Carolina, I just feel the need to buy it. It was $5. I think we can at least get $25. This was an interesting tag. Yeah, right there. It's got that wool acrylic blend. It's out of season, but it was just really nice feel. People had these listed kind of high. We're thinking off season to get this fairly cheap for $5. We could probably get an easy 30 bucks on this. These Nike windbreakers. These always sell really good for us. We paid $5. That's an easy $25 right there. But pulling this thing off, and we think this was at Julian and Kayla's favorite thrift store. If you didn't know, yes, we were in the Myrtle Beach area. We were hunting for their favorite thrift store. We're sorry, but we did snag this off the rack when they pulled it out. Vintage 1993. Look at that. DC, it was like Sandman, I think. People have these listed for well over 100 or more. We're thinking a easy $75 on that t-shirt that we never see these prices. $249. So not bad on the pickup there. But like I said, we're at our next Airbnb. The journey's not over. We are now in Georgia. Just came over into Savannah. And we're going to be in Georgia the next couple days to see if Georgia can dethrone South Carolina. They've been pretty good on pricing and finding some pretty good stuff. But stay tuned to the channel. We're going to be doing a lot of thrift stores. Big shout out to Bearded Thrift Machine. Getting to source in their area. They do have some good thrift stores, some good Goodwills, and we were happy to find that kind of stuff. But just stay tuned. We're gonna see if we can bump into some other good reseller friends and find some more thrift store goodies. Like this was just really fun trip. But stay tuned, and we'll see you in the next video. We love you. We appreciate you.